Hi everyone. From this video onwards, we are going to discuss about medical microbiology MCQs, that is multiple choice question and answers in different series. Each series is going to possess 20 questions. In the first series, we will discuss from the question number 1 to 20. Let's begin. Which is the correct statement related to hepatitis B virus? Options are A. Paramyxovirus, B. Orthomyxovirus, C. Reovirus, D. Retrovirus. The answer is Reovirus. 2. Kala azar is caused by. Options are A. Trypanosoma, B. Leishmania donovani, C. Eukarya, D. Plasmodium. The trypanosoma is going to cause a disease named as African sleeping sickness. Leishmania donovani is the one which causes the Kala azar. Then what about the Eukarya? It is going to cause the filariasis, and the Plasmodium is going to cause the malaria. Third, antigenic variation is most extensive in, that means more oftenly we are going to see the antigenic variation in which of the following. Options are A. Influenza virus, B. Smallpox virus, C. Measles virus, D. Herpes virus. And the answer is influenza virus. Fourth, Chinese letter arrangement of cells is shown by which of the following bacteria? Options are A. Neisseria gonorrhoeae, B. Corynebacterium diphtheriae, C. Vibrio cholerae, D. Escherichia coli. That is E. coli. The answer is Corynebacterium diphtheriae. Fifth question. Which term is used when an object is contaminated with pathogenic microorganism? The options are A. Instruments, B. Fomites, C. Incubated articles, D. Sterilized objects. The answer is fomites. Sixth question. Schaffner's dots found in which plasmodium infection? There are different species which are responsible of causing this infection of malaria, all these things. So which species or which one is going to be responsible of having this Schaffner's dot? Okay, so let's see the Plasmodium vivax, Plasmodium falciparum, Plasmodium ovale, Plasmodium malariae. So which is the one which is having the Schaffner's dot found in the Plasmodium infection? The option is Plasmodium vivax. 7. Which of the body cells are mainly affected by HIV and causing immunosuppression? Options are A. RBC, that is red blood cells, B. platelets, C. CD4 cells, cluster differentiation cells, D. B. lymphocytes. Obviously the answer will be CD4 cells. Cluster differentiation 4 cells of the body cells are mainly affected by the HIV virus and cause the immunosuppression. 8. Negri bodies are seen in. Options are rabies, smallpox, HIV, tuberculosis. So answer is rabies. 9th. Which of the following is a viral disease? Options are A. Tuberculosis, B. Cholera, C. Tetanus, D. Rubella. The above three, tuberculosis, cholera and tetanus, are the bacterial diseases. So obviously the answer will be rubella is a viral disease. Out of the following, which are the examples of autoimmune disease? Options are A. Acquired hemolytic anemia, rheumatoid arthritis, Hashimoto's disease, all of these. The answer is all of these. So here we have to discuss about the Hashimoto's disease. This is because of a hypothyroidism where the thyroid gland is affected and gradually stops producing enough hormones to keep the body working properly. So this Hashimoto's is more common in the middle-aged women than men and cause fatigue and weight gain. So these are all going to be considered as autoimmune diseases: acquired hemolytic anemia, rheumatoid arthritis and Hashimoto's disease. Then 11th, virus culture inside the embryo egg is detected with. Options are A. Cytopathic effect, B. Pock formation or information, C. Turbidometry or turbidity, D. Bubble formation. The answer is turbidity. Virus culture inside the embryo egg is detected by the cytopathic effect, Pock information, and bubble or puck formation is all bubble formation. It is all going to be on the surface of the egg, we can see it, but inside they are asking means it's a turbidity. 12. AIDS patients suffer from pneumonia due to. Options are A. Pneumocystis carinii, Cryptosporidium pneumoniae, that is Streptococcus pneumoniae, Toxoplasma, and the answer is Pneumocystis carinii. Here they are asking about the AIDS patient. The rest of the things are also going to cause a pneumonia, but in the normal people, the AIDS patients suffer from pneumonia due to Pneumocystis carinii. So this is because of a diffuse pneumonia in that is immunocompromised host. Even this is going to be a fatal case where the organism and the disease remain localized to the lung. The pneumonia rarely, if ever, occurs in healthy individuals. But pneumocystosis carinii, an extracellular protozoan, has been observed in these three forms. Okay, so that's why it is a pneumocystis carinii is a protozoan, extracellular protozoan, which is responsible of causing the pneumonia in AIDS patient. Then 13, which organism is commonly causes the gas gangrene? Options are A. E. coli, that is Escherichia coli, B. Plasmodium, C. Rubella, D. Clostridium. The answer is obviously Clostridium. 14. In which condition megaloblastic anemia occurred? Options are A. Vitamin B12 deficiency, B. Folic acid deficiency, C. Iron deficiency anemia, D. Both A and B. The answer is going to be of both A. Vitamin B12 deficiency and folic acid deficiency leading to megaloblastic anemia. 15th, statements applicable to human lice. Okay, and the statements are A. Cause pruritic skin lesions, B. Are wingless, that is human lice are wingless, C. Transmit epidemic typhus, relapsing fever and trench fever, D. Pediculus humanus and Pteris pubis are the two species of human lice. All of these. The answer is going to be all of these. 16th question. Why does the influenza vaccine seldom produces hypersensitivity? Options are it's not purified, stored in high temperature, administered with pre-medication, it's highly purified. So here comes it's highly purified. Option D is the right answer. 17. Flagellar antigen is also called as. Options are A. O antigen, B. H antigen, C. VI antigen, D. Flagellar antigen. So the flagellar antigen is a motile antigen, so obviously it is H antigen. 18. Syndromes associated with human T lymphotrophic virus type, that is HTLV1R. Options are A. Adult T cell lymphoma, B. Hairy cell leukemia, C. Adult T cell leukemia, D. All of these. The answer is going to be of hairy cell leukemia. 19th. Infection of Ascaris usually occur by. Options are A. Eating imperfectly cooked pork, B. TCTC fly, C. Mosquito bite, D. Drinking water containing eggs of Ascaris. The answer is going to be drinking water containing eggs of Ascaris causes the infection of Ascaris. And this you can, when you are swallowing this contaminated food or water with human feces or consumed with soil containing the infected eggs, obviously you are going to get the Ascaris disease. 20. Which growth factor required by Haemophilus influenza? The options are X, that is para Haemophilus influenza, B. X and V, C. V, D is egg. So which factor is essential or required by Haemophilus influenza? Obviously it is X and V factors are essential as a growth factor by Haemophilus influenza. So this is all about the series 1. In the series 2, we will continue with the 21 to 40 questions. Thank you.